Beloved students, respected scientists, above all, most respected, pious and sacred farmers of this nation, this world. I invite you to a technique, developed by me, that is Murthy's Daily Weather and Agriculture. Murthy's Daily Weather and Agriculture. This is a concept which I developed after working. I spent all my life learning agriculture meteorology, traveled across the globe in almost all the continents, learned from my students, from the farmers and my teachers and the colleagues with whom I always worked. They were always very kind to enlighten me every day, even today. Throughout the life, I am learning agriculture meteorology. One of the most successful concepts that I developed next to weather health concept is Murthy's Daily Weather and Agriculture. This technique helps the farmers to reduce the cost of cultivation by 25% and enhances the yield by 25% and quality also by approximately 5 to 6%. This was the research done by me over a period of 40 years. So what is Murthy's Daily Weather and Agriculture concept? First I read, this was published in my book Principles and Practices of Agricultural Disaster Management in page number 175. I have presented this particular concept successfully in this book, Index Based Insurance for Agriculture. I presented it in JRC, Joint Research Council, Ispara, Italy, in the year 2012. 2nd and 3rd May 2012, I presented this Murthy's Daily Weather and Agriculture. Later, it was also published in Principles and Practices of Agricultural Disaster Management. This is a book of the most powerful organization, that is the Joint Research Council of European Union, most authoritative organization working for the welfare of the farmers throughout the world. In addition to that, several UN agencies also involved in this particular this thing. Here, this particular Murthy's Daily Weather and Agriculture, this was also published. Now, here I would like to share with you what is the information that I can share with my beloved students, colleagues, and above all, farmers. See, daily weather and agriculture concept can successfully be used, which is both an agricultural meteorological tool and service. It is an agrometeorological tool and service. In this concept, the farmers observe weather health as follows. Weather health as follows. First I read, then I demonstrate to you. They collect daily weather data available in the newspapers, TVs, radios, along with pictorial diagrams and paste on white sheets chronologically. So the farmers, the students, the agricultural scientists are requested to collect the information on weather available in the newspapers daily. It is also available in the mobiles, it is also available in the TVs, it is also available in the radio, so many sources. So chronologically you should paste on the white sheets. In addition, the farmers also obtain information on weather from internet and so many other sources, and they record the same at appropriate points and on the white sheets and observe its influence on crops, animals, and day-to-day agricultural activities. After observing the trends of weather and its influence on crops, animals, and horticultural plantations, the weather health is determined. Based on the weather health, the management options for all agricultural operations like plowing, fertilizer application, sowing, intercultivation, spraying of chemicals, and top dressing of fertilizers will be adopted by the farmers. Enough recommendations are made available in the book entitled Weather and Agriculture by me, and also technical handouts, etc. in the local languages available. This operational agricultural meteorological tool and service involves known no and no money. No money at all. Just whatever the information is available in the newspapers, in the TVs, in the radios, in the internet, in the mobiles. Just they have to, they are requested to collect it and paste. How I demonstrated you in 1 minute. Okay. Now, see, it is a non-monetary input because the newspapers are bought by the farmers or villagers for learning and enriching themselves on several issues. In addition to that, we also watch the television, we also listen to the radio, we also have the mobiles. In this information is available. What the farmers are expected or requested to do is just whatever the information that is available in the newspapers like this, okay, the Hindu, okay, the Hindu, or any the Times of India, the Indian Express, whatnot. In every newspaper, information on weather is available. So the farmers have to spend little time, very little time in cutting the information and pasting it. Simply, they just have to cut it, okay, from the available sources and paste it like this. Newspaper, information available in the newspapers on weather, they should paste it like this. Then they should do a small exercise. Date, rainfall, humidity, temperature every day. First day, second day, third day, from start of agriculture operations to harvesting. Just they should write on a white sheet like this. Then what will happen? They will have some idea how the weather is progressing on a rainy day. What is the temperature? How much of humidity? On a non-rainy day, what are the how much is quantified with reference to humidity? How much change has occurred as compared to previous day? So this is how the farmers are requested to do a very small exercise like this. And after observing the trends and by drawing a small graph, okay, what they can do is simply they can see the trends, how that particular variations in the weather is influencing the farmers' crops, animals, orchards, whatnot, even in day-to-day activities. So, based on the information that is available in the newspapers, and by pasting on paper like this daily, and regularly observing the weather and putting it in the form of pictorial diagrams, so they go on enriching themselves. If the trends are good for the crop growth or for animal health or for plantations or for forest, excellent. If it is otherwise, management options that are available in different books, including several books written by me, even in the local languages they are available. The farmers are expected to learn more things from local farmers' own experiences, what to do. The agriculture scientists, teachers with pious and sacred thinking of helping the farmers, students, innumerable students, they all can participate in this whole exercise so that farmers will have excellent market value for their produce. In addition to that, farmers' confidence will increase because as soon as the farmer gets up in the morning, 4 o'clock or 4:30 in the morning, he goes on spending the money. Throughout the cropping season. At the end, he will get the price for the produce he produced. So, here I would like to impress upon you that it is a non-monetary input. No money involved in getting the information on weather by the farmers, by the scientists, by the students, above all for the food security. Those who are all working for food security, they must be endowed with this particular knowledge which helps the farmer, non-monetary. Thanking you for your very patient hearing.